Hello, dear teacher and classmates. I hope you are doing very well. Today we are going to present our topic, improving student confidence in speaking English in virtual class. My name is Marisol Chavera Correa and I will present with my group. The members of our group are Fernanda Isabel Rentería Córdoba, Laura Andrea Palacio Romaña, Jorge Eliezer Ávila Moreno. Introductions and our observations, we identified that many students have a low participation, especially during speaking activities. This happened because a student always felt nervous or lack confidence when they speak in English. As a result, they do not practice enough, and this affects their communication skill. In this presentation, we will explain the problem and suggest some solutions. Analysis of the problem. A learner anxiety and lack of confidence when speaking English. The main problem we observe is as a low student participation in virtual class. Many students do not want to speak or share their ideas. This problem happens mostly during speaking activities. Students feel afraid of making mistake or feel unsure when speaking English because of this and they not practice and this learning process becomes slower. Possible solutions. To solve this problem, we can use interactive and dynamic activities. For example, teacher and can use games like cat code or kisses or make class more fun. And another solution is to use a small group discourses so a student feel more confident speaking. Also, it's important to give positive feedback to a student to help them feel more confident. And this way, a student can participate more in improving their speaking skill.
Hi, student Fernanda Rentería. Student is me feel in thinking speaking English is fast. They have for his or may gives me unlimited vocabulary. Guess test websites develop learning. A student needs their house, your son, and the bus, and the seats, and the books. His cat simple was in that lead yield acquisitions occurs on learning is meet had a spread similitude. I am illustrates environments. His mount in the close, in the far, in the defeats, his force. Which is please that mouth. Sonal force influence has learning.
Everyone, my name is Jorge Eliezer Ávila Moreno. Sociocultural theory, Vygotsky. This theory emphasizes to learning occur through social interaction and collaboration, language developments, helping with learners, starting the third and revision supports, when the teachers of proximal development. Okay. Behaviorismo, Skinner. Yes. Behaviorismo explains language learning as processes based on stimulus, responding repetition, and reformat according to the theories. Learning at key language, habit, truth, practice, and correction. Thank you.
Application of theories. This size shows how theories help a student learn English. A student learn through interactions and practice in a positive environment. However, some students feel nervous when speak. The activity helps improve vocabulary, pronunciation, and comprehensions. Conclusions. This conclusion shows that emotional factors like anxiety affect student participations and learning. It is important to create a positive environment and use activities that reduce fear and encourage communication. Growth work and interactions can help a student feel more comfortable and improve their speaking skills. Thank you very much. Now I am going to answer the following question. What innovator English learning activities will be proposed to address the problem? What digital tool or resource will you use for this activity? How will you assess the impact of this activity on language learning? Okay, first I will pros and interactive speaking activities based on game and interactions. In this activity, a student will participate in list used cat code where they answer questions and also explain their answer orally. This helps students practice speaking in a fun and less stressful way, which can improve their confidence in virtual classes. Second, I will use digital tools such as CapCut, Canva, and Zoom. CapCut will be used to create these interaction quizzes. Canvas can help design visual material and Canva material, and Zoom we allows a student to interact in real time, especially in breakout and run for a small group discussions that should make the class more dynamic and engaging for a student. Finally, to assess the impact of this activity, I will use different strategies. And for example, I will observe a student participating during the activity and see if more students are willing to speak. And I will also apply a short quiz and to empower their understanding and improvement. In addition, I could ask a student how they feel about their confidence when speaking English after the activity. Thank you very much.
Continue the question. Why innovative English learning activity will you process to handle the problem? I will process a role play activity in Bridge Room. Students were in small groups. I practice realize conversation, teach ill doses, and see and improvise. Their conference when speaking English. continue. What digital tool resources would you use for this activity? Okay, and I will use room my constant with breadcrumb room. I could use the crowd to my the class more interactivity interactivity and the phones. Continue. Question: how would you add the part of the T activity on language learning? Okay, I will evaluate a student by serving three participation in conferences. I will also short speaking activities to see process over time. Thank you.